how to germinate garlic fast. In this process, we're gonna germinate our garlic. And what you want to do is you want to first of all peel the garlic and break the cloves. Select the biggest ones that you have, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in a solution of water. This is a solution of regular water, and this is a solution of regular water. I'm just gonna add a drop of hydrogen peroxide to that. So let's first of all start with that. So this is our hydrogen peroxide. So we're gonna add 1 drop of hydrogen peroxide to this. Just 1 drop. That should be fine. And now we want to put our garlic cloves into the container. So this here, what you want to do is want to make sure that the bottom is in the water and the top is facing up, so that's how it grows up from the bottom. So we're gonna put them into the water like that, with the roots side facing down. I'm just gonna put a few of them and just arrange it in there later on. And this, I'm gonna do the same for the one with the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, here we have it. Now we have garlic in this one with a drop of hydrogen peroxide, and in this one we have the garlic with water. And the main reason for this is just want to make sure that the water, the bottom of the garlic is touching the water. That's gonna help it germinate faster. So we just leave it like that. What you want to do now is you put these 2 containers in a sunny, dry area like a window, and leave it there for 7 days, and we'll check back in 7 days and see how it goes. Okay, 1 week later, this is what we have for the garlic. It's all grown and it's coming out well, as you see. That's the garlic germinating. So that's the garlic germinating right there with the hydrogen peroxide that I put inside. And the one without hydrogen peroxide, just water, it's coming out but not as fast as, see that? A few of them started coming out but not as fast as this one. So with the one with the hydrogen peroxide works much faster. You can see here the roots, and these are also coming out. Compared to the roots and these ones. So these ones, the germination starts inside and the bulbs, the germination starts on top, and this one develops more roots before it starts sending the flowers out. So okay, that's all we have. That's how to germinate garlic fast. So I'll say I'll go with the one with the hydrogen peroxide, because it's looks like it's germinating much faster, but time will definitely tell. Okay, hopefully that helps you in germinating your garlic. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the little icon on the right that tells you when new videos come up. And if you like the video, please hit the like button below. Thanks for watching.